Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kiran Singh and I am working in BBD University as assistant professor. So now moving on to our topic, which is the importance of the importance of ethics and values in business. In the ever evolving world of businesses, the role of ethics and values has become increasingly crucial. These fundamental principles not only guide decision making but also shape the long term success and reputation of the organizations. Business ethics is the moral principles, policies, and values that govern the way companies and individuals engage in business activity. It is beyond legal requirements to establish a code of conduct that drives employee behavior at all levels and helps build trust between a business and its customer. Business ethics refers to implementing appropriate business policies and practices with regard to arguably controversial subjects. The law usually sets the tone for business ethics, though doing the bare minimum is generally frowned upon. Now, further moving on, uh, defining business ethics and values, which is totally based on three factors. One is your ethical conduct, second is your core values, and the third is stakeholder accountability. Ethical conduct, it usually deals with the moral principles and standards that promote fairness, integrity, and responsible decision making. Core values is the fundamental beliefs that guide an organization's culture and behavior, such as honesty, respect, and social responsibility. Stakeholder accountability, it considers the needs and interests of all parties affected by business activities, including employees, customers, and the community. Now, the major ethical challenges in the modern business landscapes, it deals with the corporate social responsibility, data privacy and security, sustainable supply chains, workplace diversity and inclusions. These are the areas where the company faces more challenges, and it has to somewhere it has to accept the challenges in dealing with the society. Now moving to the corporate social responsibility, it deals with balancing profits with environmental and social impact. The second is data privacy and security. Its main issue is to protecting sensitive customer information and preventing data breaches. The third is your sustainable supply chains. It ensures ethical and environmentally friendly practices throughout the supply chain. The fourth is your workplace diversity and inclusions. It includes promoting equal opportunities and preventing discrimination. Now, the in how we can integrate ethics and values into corporate culture, as it is a major challenge which every organization faces. The first point in this leadership commitment, the leader who is presently working in the organization plays a very important role in maintaining the ethics and values in the corporate culture. As we all know that it is a very difficult task, but the leadership plays a very important role. The leader who is guiding the entire team uh, really plays a very important role in handling the ethics and values of a organization. In this, executives and managers must lead by example and prioritize ethical conduct. The second is your employee training, providing ongoing education and resources to help employees navigate ethical dilemmas. The third is your ethical decision making frameworks, developing clear guidelines and processes for making ethical business decisions. Now, stakeholder perspectives on business ethics. It can be understood by keeping four parameters, which are your employees' perspective, customers' perspective, community perspective, and the last is your investors' perspective. In employees' perspective, every employee he expect fair treatment, a safe work environment, and opportunities for growth. The customers demand transparency, honesty, and high quality products or services. Community anticipate that businesses will be socially responsible and environmentally conscious. And the last is your investors' perspective. They value ethical practices that mitigate risks and protect long term value. Now, the financial and reputational impacts of ethical conduct. The first and the foremost is your brand reputation. Every organization works for the reputation of the organization. The ethical behavior enhances a company's reputation and customer loyalty. The second is your operational efficiency. Ethical practices improve employee morale and reduce risks of legal and regulatory issues. The third is your financial performance. Ethical companies often outperform their competitors in the long run. Embracing ethical leadership for long term success. In the complex and dynamic business world, a commitment to ethics and values is not just a moral imperative but a strategic necessity. Companies that prioritize ethical conduct and incorporate these principles into their culture and decision making processes are well positioned to thrive in the long term. So, in the last, I would like to conclude by saying that ethics and values play a very important role in building the reputation of an organization. Ethical values guide the way that business is done, what is considered acceptable or desirable behavior, above and beyond compliance with laws and regulations. It may be that organizations' values are implicit rather than explicit. Whatever the size or sector or what policies and programs are in place, it is the organization's values that underpin those policies and provide the framework for the company's culture and decision making. Now, I would like hope the entire topic is very clear to all who are listening, and I would like to thank each and everyone. Thank you.